Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Monzo to Revolut. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Monzo to Revolut. So the first thing to do is to obtain your Revolut bank details. Then from there, you have to open the Revolut app just to get the details. Then from there, navigate to the section where your account details are displayed. Then note down that your Revolut account number and sort code. Note it down. Then after that, you have to initiate the transfer in Monzo. So open the Monzo app, then tap the payment icon in the menu bar. Then select pay someone, then choose make a bank transfer. Then from there, you have to enter your name as the recipient since you are transferring to your own Revolut account. Then after that, in this input the Revolut account details, which is your Revolut account number, then your sort code you noted earlier. Then from there, enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the payment, and that's how you can simply transfer money from Monzo to Revolut. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.